So here's how to generate images on ChatGPT. First of all, you need to head over to chatgpt.com on your browser. And as you can see, we're already here. So now click on the plus icon beside the text field, and from the available options, you need to click on Create Image. Now, just go to the text field and input your prompt for your image. Just describe the image that you want. After that, you can click on the Style section and choose from any of these options if you want, and then click on the Submit button. And as you can see, the image is now being generated. Sometimes it may take a while, but usually it only takes a couple of seconds. So once the image is generated, you can give it a thumbs up if you like it. Then click on the download icon over here, and the image will be downloaded onto your device. After that, you can also click on the share icon over here and share the image using any of these options available. And that is exactly how to generate images using ChatGPT.